Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September 9th. This is the way the pattern is supposed to look like for August 28th through September 1st. The models are showing large area positive height anomalies off the west coast over the eastern Pacific, and we also have an area above normal heights here in the east, and this subtropical ridge that's starting to build northward across the eastern U.S. And that should be short-lived. This is the GFS, and this is GFS ensembles, and this is European deterministics, European ensembles, and then the Canadian ensembles. And you can see some of the models are also showing a tendency for a trough here in the west. Now we're going to look at the period for August 31st through September 4th. Little change is expected in this pattern. Here's our subtropical ridge again. We have generally a zone of flow. Still large area positive height anomalies here over the Aleutians in the east and like extended to off the west coast. And we have negative height anomalies with an upper low here north of Alaska building down into western Canada. That's the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. Canadian ensemble still is showing the most of the zonal flow having the flow here along the northern states and the subtropical ridge. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures across this region here and below normal temperatures for this region for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. Now we're going to look at the period for September 5th to the 9th. Here we are at the 5th. This is the GFS, still having above normal heights here across eastern U.S. and eastern Canada. Here's the area below normal heights on a trough digging down into across Canada down into the northern Rockies. And we have a large positive height anomalies here over the Aleutians. It's the GFS ensembles, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. Now on the Canadian ensemble, look at the difference here with these. It's showing the trough building into the northern Rockies and northern plains, where the other models like the Canadian ensembles has the heights to the north with the fairly zonal flow at near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting little change in temperature anomalies, still below normal here, above normal temperatures for this region, and also little change and the precipitation anomalies doesn't change during this period either, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September 9th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.